Hi everyone! In today's class, we will do a 5-minute deep breathing exercises. So there's also benefit in working on our lungs aside from the movement classes that we've been doing. So we want to help build efficiency in our lungs and increase lung capacity. So in that way, we're bringing more oxygenated blood into our hearts, into our body to help strengthen and build immunity. So I hope you enjoy. So you'll start off in a seated position. You can do this on your bed, or you can go ahead and sit on your mat. I would suggest that you grab a pillow or a bolster. Sit on it so you're more comfortable. Okay. And then crossing at the legs. Okay. And then before we start off with our breathing, maybe get any movement, soft movements, small movements. You can move at the hands, maybe move the shoulders, maybe even move the neck. Okay, it can be as slow as you like. And then if you're electing to move your head around, make sure that you go the opposite direction. Okay. And then once you have that, you go ahead and settle in any comfortable seated position. And then for this round, let your hands be soft on your knees or on your thighs. Notice if there's any gripping. Okay, so let the hands be soft. And then you can choose to do this with eyes closed so that we just focus inside or focus inward. Okay. And then we'll just take cleansing breaths first. So you breathe in through the nose and then breathe out through the nose. And then notice for this first few cycles of breath, if there's any tension at the shoulders, just let it soften. And then we'll slowly begin. Then you'll bring one hand to your belly, and then just the other hand, let it be soft on your leg. Then as you slowly inhale, send the breath all the way down to the pit of your belly, and then slowly breathing out. Again, getting used to that sensation or to that awareness. Slow inhale through the nose, fill in the belly, and then slowly breathing out. Slow inhale again, and slow exhale. 2 more times. Slow inhale towards the pit of the belly, maybe letting the belly expand, and then slowly breathing out. 1 more time. Slow inhale and slow exhale. Okay, this time bring your other hand onto the top of the chest. Okay. We'll take a slow inhale again, fill the belly. See if you can fill in towards the top of the chest. And then slowly breathing out. A few more times. Slow, deep breath in. And then slow, deep breath out. Okay, and then notice if the breath is shallow. For this next few rounds, let's try to add counting to our breath. Okay, and then let's try it for a count of 4 as you inhale for 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then slow exhale for the same count for 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can keep your hands on your belly and on your chest. Slow inhale again for a count of 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slow exhale for a count of 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll hold here this time. Slow inhale for a count of 4 for 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then this time we'll exhale for a count of 5 for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Another round. Slow inhale for a count of 4 for 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then slow exhale for a count of 5 for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. One more round. Inhale slowly for 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then slow exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Keep breathing in through the nose and breathe out through the nose. For this next round, we'll breathe in through the nose. But then this time, we'll make a small opening through our mouth and breathe out through the mouth like this. Again, keep your hands to where they're most comfortable, either on your legs, on your knees, or maybe a hand on the belly. Okay, continuing on, slow inhale through the nose. Fill the belly with air all the way to the top of the chest. And then as if breathing out through a straw as you exhale through the mouth. At the end of the exhalation, slow inhale. Fill all the way to the pit of the belly, to the top of the chest. Once you're full, slow exhale through the mouth. 2 more rounds, slowly breathing in. All the way towards the top of the chest. Slowly breathing out through the mouth. Feeling the belly slowly soften. Slow inhale again, fill the belly, the ribs, let the chest rise. And then slow exhale through the mouth. 1 more round, slow inhale. And then slow exhale. And then continue on breathing. If the eyes are closed, maybe still keep them closed. And then just notice how you feel at this point. Making this mindful connection with the breath. Notice if there's still any tension. Imagine you're just letting it go as you exhale. And then take a few more cycles here. As we just let everything be still as we stay seated. Just letting the breath move freely in and out of our bodies. And then from here, we'll bring the hands together in front of our hearts as you bow down your head. Giving yourself gratitude for this practice and thank you for letting me guide you. Namaste. So I hope you enjoyed that class. Know that you can do the 5-minute deep breathing exercises at any time during your day. You can do it if you want to ground yourselves after waking up to help you focus for your day, or if at the middle of your busy day you're feeling stressful, you can take that to help calm you down. Or you can even do this at the end of your day if you need to de-stress from a very busy day or a busy week that you've had. So I'd like to thank you for watching. This is EverYoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.